Good evening, dear student. Welcome to our maths class. We were doing chapter number 7, which is related to coordinate geometry, and exercise 7.2, which is related to section formula. Okay, 7.1 we have already done, which is related to distance formula. Okay, now in first question they have given find a point, coordinates of point which divide the line joining of these points, these coordinates in ratio 2:3. It means they said that these are the coordinates of this line 4 and -3. One point is there P, which is dividing it into ratio 2:3. I have to find out the coordinates of point P, capital X and capital Y. Let this point is A, this point is B. So ratio coordinates are x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Ratio is m1 ratio m2. I let everything. Okay, now I have to apply section formula. I have to find out the coordinates of x and y. So for x, formula is m2 x1 plus m1 x2 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. So m2 is 3, x1 is -1 plus m1 is 2, x2 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 into -1, -3, 4 2s are 8 by 5. -3 plus 8 is 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So x coordinate is 1. P's x coordinate is 1. Y coordinate is m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. Put value again. m2 is equal to 3, y1 is 7 plus m1 is 2, y2 is -3. So m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, -6 by 5. So 15 by 5 is equal to 3. X is 1, y is 3. So I got the point coordinate of point which dividing it in ratio 2:3. Coordinates are 1 and 3. Okay. Now in second question they said that there is a line joining the points 4 and -1, -2 and -3. Find the coordinate of a point which trisect it. Trisect means trisection they have given. Tri means 3, section means part. It means ये line के 3 parts हो रहे हैं. If this is AB points, then P and Q are dividing it into 3 parts. Trisect कर रहे हैं वो. Okay. Now coordinate of P are capital X and capital Y. Coordinate of A you can assume A and B. Same formula we have to apply section formula. Okay. But I have no ratio. मेरे पास रेशियो नहीं है कि कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई हैव 3 पार्ट्स 1 2 3 एंड P इज डिवाइडिंग इन पार्ट्स 1 2 into 1 ratio 2 parts. So Q is dividing 2 parts here and 1 parts here. So if I have to find out coordinate of P, I will assume ratio 1:2 and AB. I will solve, apply section formula and I will get my answer here. For Q, I will write AB, Q 2:1 and coordinates these one here and I will solve by section formula. I will find value x and y. You can solve it very easily because I have told you section formula already. Okay. Now third question is very important question. There is a playground. In third question they have given a playground. Okay. In third question A, D, B, C. There is a playground. Here are 100 pots. 100 pots are here. Okay. 100 pots are here. Each is having 1 meter distance. Each is having 1 meter distance. And here are lines. First line, second line, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, so on. Okay, I will give the name to them. There is a one girl standing second line and 1/4 of AD. They said position of Niharika. Position of Niharika is second line. It means second line is this one. it is x-axis, it means my x coordinate is 2. For y coordinate they said 1 by 4th of AD. 1 by 4th of AD, it means 1 by 4 into AD is 100 chords at 1 meter distance. It means total distance is 100. So my coordinate will be 25. This is the position of Niharika. Okay. Now position of Preet, they said 1 by 5th of AD. 1 by 5th of AD, 8th line. 8th line means this one line. For Preet, x coordinate is 8 and y coordinate is 1 by 5th of AD, it means 1 by 5th of 100, 20. Okay, I got the position of Niharika and Preet. Now they said that there is one girl, Rashmi, who want to post a flag in between them. It means we have to find out the midpoint of these. Midpoint formula, I already told you, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. You will got your answer. And they ask what is the distance between both girls. So for distance you will apply distance formula. Distance formula you will apply for their distance. Okay, thank you. Anji student, in fourth question, find ratio in which this line joining is divided by this point. It means line joining of this point minus 3 and 10, 6 and minus 8 is divided by a point P minus 1 and 6. We have to find out the ratio. Find ratio M1 ratio M2. Okay, this is capital X and capital Y. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now they have given coordinates of point, but I have to find out the ratio. But same formula we have, section formula. X is equal to m2 x1 plus m1 x2 by m1 plus m2. X coordinate is minus 1. Capital X they have given minus 1. M2 is same. X1 value is minus 3 plus m1 is, I have to find out, x2 is 6, m1 plus m2. If this goes on this side, here is minus 1, so it will change its sign, it becomes minus m1 minus m2. Here is minus 3 m2 plus 6 m2, m1. Okay, 6 m1. Now, what we will do? Change the sign. This m1 comes here, minus 6 m1. 3 m1, m2 is here. This goes on this side, becomes plus 1 m2. Minus 1 and minus 6, minus 7 m1. Minus 3 and plus 1, minus 2 m2. Minus minus cancel. m2 comes on this side, 7 goes on this side. So m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. So my ratio is 2 ratio 7. Okay, my ratio is 2 ratio 7. Now, question number 5th is same as this one. 6th question related to parallelogram. They said there is a parallelogram whose coordinates are given. First coordinate is 1, 2, 4y, x6 and fourth one is 3 and 5. Find value of x and y. We have to find out the value of missing x and missing y. We know that the diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, it means this portion is equal to this one, this portion is equal to this one. It means this is the midpoint of ABCD. This is the midpoint of BD. This is the midpoint of AC. It means जो AC का midpoint होएगा वही BD का midpoint होएगा. So I will find the midpoint of AC. क्या होगा? इसके इक्वल होएगा midpoint of BD. Okay, midpoint of AC. It means x1 plus x2 by 2. 1 plus x by 2. Y is 2 plus 6 by 2. Firstly, I will add the x coordinate, then y coordinate. Midpoint of BD is 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. equate x with x value, x coordinate with x coordinate. So 2 cancel with 2, 1 plus x is equal to 4 plus 3, x is equal to 4 plus 3 7, this goes on this side becomes 6. Same as y coordinate with y, 2 cancel, 8 is equal to y plus 5, 6 plus 2 is 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So x value is 6, y value is 3. Other question you will solve by yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.